有一個人佢嘅作品咧，你可能每一日都會見到。咁譬如你而家打開銀包，喺衫袋、褲袋咧就即刻揾到。又譬如你飲緊嘅紙包飲品嘅包裝，飲奶茶落嘅砂糖，行開嘅商場、酒店，甚至我哋香港電台呢一度咧都有。咁佢就係幾十年嚟為香港同埋全球多個品牌做平面設計嘅設計師石漢穗。
石漢穗幾十年嚟一直喺香港為商業品牌創造品牌形象，可能唔係個個人都知道佢個名，不過佢嘅平面設計無處不在。今年係石漢穗90歲誕辰，亦都係佢嘅設計公司喺香港開業60週年。佢一直以跨文化傳譯嘅能力見稱。
To me, it's so obvious because I am cross-cultural. I was born in Vienna, grew up in New York, and I've lived in Hong Kong for 60 years now. It's unbelievable. Cross-cultural communication, trying to talk to other cultures and do it visually. Taking away from one culture something that is useful for another one. You know, certain Chinese characters that maybe look like something that's European.
石漢穗1934年喺維也納出生。納粹德國喺1938年吞併奧地利之後，為咗逃避反猶太人情緒，佢同屋企人移居美國。佢喺亨特學院修讀藝術，之後喺耶魯大學完成平面設計碩士課程，師承當時受人敬重嘅平面設計師兼藝術總監保羅蘭德。
I saw an early book by Paul Rand, and it was fascinating. And that's what started me to understand design rather than art. A designer tries to solve his client's problems. An artist tries to solve his own problems. So in other words, whatever problems I have, it doesn't matter because I'm working for the client. But if I were a painter, I would be trying to communicate my feelings. That has nothing to do with graphic design.
石漢穗喺巴黎索邦大學繼續深造，返到紐約之後，佢接受派遣到亞洲工作，擔任 The Asia Magazine 設計總監。喺1961年，憑住一份為期9個月嘅工作合約嚟到香港。
This is what I do, contrast. You know, so this is a Chinese lady from history, and this is a contemporary Chinese girl, and they go together nicely. And I was asked to do some other jobs, not for the Asia magazine, things like packaging and annual reports and all sorts of things.
香港東西文化匯聚嘅特質，經常係佢嘅設計靈感。而其中一個體現呢種文化匯聚嘅早期作品，係香港希爾頓酒店嘅標誌，兩個字母 H 嘅設計，令人聯想起中文雙喜嘅喜字。1964年，石漢穗自立門戶，本來9個月嘅合約，就變成佢對香港嘅終生承諾。其中部分嘅香港鈔票都係佢嘅代表作。
Well, it's progress. At the very top is the dragon. At the bottom is the fish. It goes from water to land to the sky, so that each of the animals is part of a hierarchy, which to me was much more interesting than having a guaipo with a blonde hair and a torch or something. You know, that this was Chinese culture, and that's what's excited me.
石漢瑞嘅客戶包括本地同國際公司，有嚟自銀行同埋金融界別、企業集團、消費同零售業、公營機構同非政府組織等等。而望向維港兩岸都可以見到佢唔同嘅作品。
It began with the St. Andrew's flag, which had two red and two white triangles, and I squared that and then added the two red on the outside so that it made a nice compact logo. It was fine, but for some reason they've dropped all of that and changed the typography, which I think is more classic. And we now have something like that, which I don't agree with it. It's not as busy as it used to be, but it's still a wonderful place of getting around. It was the right time and the right place, and I was at the right stage to be here. I'm very happy with my career. I can't think of anything better to say, because it's Hong Kong that made me. In some ways, I make Hong Kong too. What people ask me is, what's your favorite job? And I say the next one. I'm going to keep going because the nice thing about graphic design is you can do what you want. I have no complaints.
現時 M+ 其中一個展覽展出石漢瑞超過200件自60年代起嘅創作。展覽分為2個部分，亦係博物館首次以單一設計師及平面設計作為主題嘅展覽。
The first two sections deal with his early life and then the point at which he arrives in Hong Kong. Really, thanks to Henry, he lent us a lot of his personal artifacts, really to show how he became a designer. And it's quite an intimate viewing experience because you're looking at personal photographs, some documentation from his student years, and some of the individuals that he encountered.
由2016年 M+ 仲未開館嘅時候，博物館就已經同石漢瑞洽談收藏佢嘅作品。目前館藏已經涵蓋佢過去39個項目。
The second two sections, they deal with how Hong Kong's development and Henry's work for his different clients actually run in parallel. So you can almost see a certain kind of history of Hong Kong through a number of Henry's works. We made a selection based on works of Henry's that most people would have encountered in their everyday lives. So you'll see things that probably you would have been able to see in a supermarket, and in particular, the banknotes that he's designed. That actually is a testament to how effective Henry's strategy and his designs have been, that they're still being used today.